Efficient charging, compatible with power delivery tech, provide up to 20 watts for iPhone 8 and its newest Lightning devices. Charging for iPhone 12 Pro Max near dead to 55%, just need 30 minutes. Apple MFi Certified, USB-C to Lightning cable is certified by MFi, made for iPhone and iPad. Work flawlessly for your iOS devices without error code popping up. Compatible devices: iPhone 13 12 Pro Max / 12 Pro / 12 / 12 Mini / 11 Pro Max / Pro / 11 / XS Max / XS / XR / X / SE 2028 Plus / 8 / iPad Air 3 / iPad Mini 5 / iPad 2019, and newest Lightning devices. Note: iPad Pro 2018-2020 uses the Type-C cord. Additional USB port. USB supports Apple 12 watts fast charging, also rapid charges for Samsung, LG, etc. Moreover, car charger adapter can fast charge 2 devices simultaneously. What you get: the package includes one XPD car phone charger, 1 by 3.3 feet MFi certified USB-C to Lightning cord. Top reviews from the United States. This works wonderful. It is a good product. I would definitely recommend this to a friend.